Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F7, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and then navigate to the first option, about phone. Swipe down and select backup and reset or restore. Nope, never mind. Where's the option? Oh, there we go. Factory reset. So sorry for the confusion here. In any case, when you click on that, it will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and, well, all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to maintain, make a backup copy of it before you go any further, and if you try to go further, basically erase all data, it does give you the option to back it up right here. But keep in mind that this backup will be done directly to the Xiaomi Cloud. And if you're backing it up with the hopes of restoring it on your new phone, and that said new phone is not a Xiaomi device, you won't have access to this data. It's just basically non-existent to you at that point. And furthermore, after, what is it, like a year or 2 years, companies are supposedly obligated to remove any personal data that is being stored. So I presume this would also include things like backups if it's not being used for some period of time, like the year or 2 years, whatever the law is. So I think the best way to back up your device is to do it directly to your own computer, as this gives you full control over your own data, not uploading it to someone else's computer. Number two, it gives you, well, not a defined amount of time that you can keep it there. It's completely up to you when you want to get rid of it. And number three, it allows you to restore it to any device you want. Now, I am going to just reset right here. Now, Xiaomi is one of those companies that for some reason considers their user base to be morons, and every kind of bit more intelligible choice that you have to make is blocked by a timer, because apparently you never know what you're doing. So just prepare to have your 20 seconds of your life wasted for no reason, because apparently Xiaomi thinks that people don't know what factory reset resets. Now, once you confirm that the second time, this will then begin factory resetting your phone. Now, this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes or so to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.